Hi folks, Dustin E here. Thanks for stopping and take a look at this super nice 2003 National RV Splash. It's a 26F model. You got the diamond plate up on the front to protect your trailer from flying rocks and things, debris. Dual 7.5 gallon propane tanks, dual batteries up on the tongue. You've got the window just in case you get to where you're going. That's kind of nice. You pull that up. And then coming on down the side here, you got the quick recovery oversized hot water heater. This is a tandem axle, so you got the duals there. Outside hot and cold shower. Fill here, city water connection, furnace exhaust, refrigerator vent, access for your power cord. It's 30 amp. You can dump your black and your gray all right here. This got stabilizer jacks all the way around. This got a radius roof on it, so it's not a flat roof. Good storage in the back corner here for blocks and things like that. Jack handles, stuff like that. They put in some linoleum in there. We're going to throw some new awning fabric on this one. It came in a little rough, so we're going to go ahead and do that as part of the inspection. Go on inside here, take a look. It's got the front walk-around queen bed feature versus the corner bed that most people don't prefer. And then you've got storage underneath the bed and your table there. That's for your freestanding dinette that pops into the floor here with two poles. And then you plop the table on top there. Sofa makes into a bed. You got lots of storage up here. This makes into a bed here. So this can sleep 6 individuals. Got all your books and manuals here from new. This trailer weighs 4,940 pounds dry, just under 5,000 pounds. Good storage down below. Water pump, your monitor panel, water heater. You got the dual door freezer up top, fridge down below, refrigerator. Good counter space. You can use this as a backsplash spot for your TV. Then in your bathroom, you got commode back in the corner, and then you got the tub shower combo. Good storage up here in the trailer. You've got pretty decent access to put your goodies in here throughout the inside of the trailer. So for this size, 26 foot, you're limited, but you do get that walk around bed versus the corner. Then you've got a privacy curtain here that's all ducted air conditioning front to back. Nice little trailer for the price. Super clean, came in this way. If you got any more questions on this trailer, feel free to give me a call, ask for Dustin, shoot me an email. Any more questions, let me know. Have a good rest of your day. Thank you.